To change the screen lock password on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, we need to go to Settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and choose Lock Screen and AOD. And then here we can go to Screen Lock and Biometrics. First we need to enter our current password and press Continue. And now we can choose the new password that we wish to use. We can stick with the same type of password. So if you had PIN code, you can still choose PIN code and you can set up a new PIN code. But if you want to switch to something else, then of course feel free to do so. I'm gonna choose the same option again, so I'm gonna choose PIN, and then we can enter the new PIN code that we wish to use. So let's say I'm gonna enter 4 times 1, then press Continue. Of course, in this case, my PIN code is easy to guess, so I'm informed about it, but I can use it anyway. Let's re-enter the new code and press OK. And there we go, new PIN set. You can also use the old code for 72 hours, so in case you forget the new code, you can still unlock with the old one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!